Hey, so if you want to use AI for writing, coding, and daily tasks, yeah, Google Gemini can work a lot like ChatGPT. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini like ChatGPT in 2026. First thing, go to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Start a new chat to begin. Next, just chat naturally. So type questions like you're talking to an assistant, just like ChatGPT. All right, request specific formats. You can ask for lists, summaries, scripts, or tables. Now improve results with follow-up questions. Just like ChatGPT, you can keep refining the response. Next, use it for writing. So you can generate emails, blogs, captions, or reports instantly. All right, ask for coding help or explanations. It can generate code and explain it step by step. And yeah, paste text or files for analysis. Gemini can summarize and break them down easily. So that's how you use Google Gemini, like ChatGPT. Once you get used to it, it works like a powerful all-in-one AI assistant.